Yo, your boy copped some kicks from the women's section. All right, yes, that's right. I got them from the women's section of Burlington Coat Factory. What did I get? Shit, you get to find out for yourself. But hey, I'll see you guys after the intro.
I ride slow every day, phone blowing up, money calling out my name. No friends, only acquaintances. If you ain't talking business, I'm not listening. Cause time is of the essence. No hate, just love, that's the lesson. Even though we're not equal, the realest will remain. One season, no sequel.
You already know we're sneaker shopping at Burlington. Let's find out see what they got. Now, I'm not expecting. We're gonna try our luck here at Burlington Coat Factory. We're gonna try our luck and see. We're gonna try our luck at Burlington Coat Factory and see if we can find any fire right now. This is unexpected. I'm not planning it. This is the Burlington Coat Factory in Donna, so let's see if they have any sneakers for your boy. All right. This is just a shot in the dark, so let's see if we can find anything. Now, let's go see if we can find some kicks in the men's section. Now, we are not that size. Nah, let's see this size. Now, let's see what they got in the big asses. Now, it's a hit and miss, because sometimes you find stuff, sometimes you don't. New York, not bad. Some Nike-iest B's. These are the alley-oops. Not bad. Let's see what else we got. Oh, here's the same ones. $40, not bad for the alley-oops, dunks. There's some crazy cleats. We got some Echoes. Some Nautica. There's this. We got some Blazers. What are these going for? 36. That's not too bad. Not too bad. What are these? Oh, these are Converse. Not too bad. $32 a steal. We got some Guess Gucci's. Now, like I said, it's a hit and miss here. Sometimes you find some good stuff, sometimes you don't. So today we're going to see if we can actually find something good. Let's check this section. Put me some old school feelers. Not bad. What are these going for? 60. It's a cool price. And we got sandals galore, flip-flops galore. Now check these out. Steve Madden's. Yeah. This ain't bad. Steve Madden. These are going for 24. This ain't bad. But the search continues. These are interesting. Some more silvers. Would you guess? Ooh. course, there's no point in really looking in sections that are not your size if you're not gonna cop, unless you're a reseller. If you're a reseller, it's a totally different thing. But let's see if we can find something. Try our luck in the women's section, okay? Because you can't wear women's shoes, sneakers. So let's go check it out. Now I'm gonna try my luck here in the female section, okay? See what they got, because they got a whole bunch of variety that we don't got. Jordans, some ones. These True Religion look pretty dope. Some Dunks with alligator. Excuse me. Some Guess Gucci. These look interesting. Look at this chrome right here. Now girls got a whole bigger variety than we do. Look at that. Michael Kors. Hilfiger. Now when it comes to sneakers, females have a whole lot of variety than we do, okay? So the reason I'm here, okay, if you didn't know, if you're ever looking for a shoe in the female size, whatever their shoe size is, add a foot, add an inch and a half. So if it's 11, you're 12 and a half, okay? So we're gonna see if we find any luck here today. Let's see if we can find something. Now I really like these because they got the animal print on them, they got that gold on them. These are an 11 and a half, so these might be a 13. Let's try it out. Like a glove, it fits. Now this is an interesting pair. I don't know if I'm gonna take them yet, but let's see the price on them. $59.99, 60 bucks, solid maybe. Let's see what else they got. Oh hell nah. But these right here, maybe 42 bucks, size 13. So let's try it on, see if they fit. Like a glove. Let's see if we can find a smaller size just in case, because this is a 14, so it'll be a 15 and a half. Yo, we copped the bag. Let's see what we got, how many we got, and how much we paid. All right, so let me show y'all what I copped from Burlington, because we got some kicks. Y'all ready for this? Y'all cannot tell me these are not fire. We got that pink bottom, pink laces. We got them stripes going on. Now these in women are a size, these are a size 14 and they fit me lovely. Okay, this is a dope shoe. I love it, they fit me. Now we did have some other Dunks there. I wasn't feeling wild about it, but these right here, I'm glad I copped them. A different colorway, a different flavor for the collection, okay? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Was it fire? Was it a good cop? And I paid $43 for these, okay? This is a steal for me because these are clean, okay? This is not leather. This is like a fabric. It's a fabric thing sewn in, stitched. The pink, the green, the brown, they all go really, really well together. So shout out to Burlington for these fire pickups. And yes, these are women's shoes, but your boys gonna make them look fly as F. All right, let me know down in the comments. Now, we don't typically go look in the women's section, but you can. Like I said, whatever your size is, deduct it by a size and a half down, if that's what you need. Okay, so for me, that I'm a 13, I would need like 11 and a half, 12. but it varies, okay, depending on shoes, depending on brands. But try them on. Like I said, this right here is what I picked up, and I'm so glad I did. There was the other dunks that you saw there. I'll put a clip of them right here so you can check them out. Yeah, I could have got those, but they weren't really popping out or eyeing, and they were a little bit more on the expensive side. Not expensive side, they were on the higher side. They did have the, you know, the alligator reptile, pattern on there, which was cool. But this right here was dope. I gotta say, this is one of the best pickups of 2025. Okay, but the year's not over, so we still got plenty to go. All right, but that was it for this episode of Sneaker Adventures, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments below, and as always, man, treat your feet.